Good day, everybody. We've made a drive up here to Yellowstone. We had to come in through the west entrance because all other entrances are closed, snowed in. And the road that we came in, it snowed last night, so we had snow on the road when we got here. And directly behind us back there is where Old Faithful is. We're heading back that way now. Kind of hard to see the sign, but this sign says Old Faithful is right over there. So I'm not sure if we can walk across. I think we better go down to the pathway. So there's a path down here. This is the visitor center right here, and it looks right out at Old Faithful Geyser right here in front of us. We decided to come here first thing and beat the tour buses. There are a bunch of tour buses around here. And the motels downtown were all full. We're waiting here for Old Faithful to blow off. And this is as warm as we can get. 24, 25 degrees. Keep in mind that we just came here from Thailand, where it's quite warmer than this.
20, 25 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not Celsius.
Yeah, minus 5 Celsius.
So
We started a drive up here yesterday and it started snowing on us as we were coming over the mountains. We went over nearly 10,000 feet elevation, and we thought once we came down to the other side it'd be okay. And then when we were coming over the hills to come to West Yellowstone, where we had our motel, it started snowing a little bit again. But we went into the motel, it was okay. During the night, it snowed a bunch more.
what's your background?
We had to come here, driving in the snow with our pickup. Luckily, it's all-wheel drive, and my tires are mud and snow tires, so...
We don't prepare for snow clothes.
No, yesterday I was wearing flip-flops, tank top, and shorts. When we got in the
It's
snow.
very cold.
Yeah. So today I at least put on jeans and my two light coats together.
And tennis shoes. And you
tennis
see
shoes.
the snow all over.
We just found out that the visitor center there behind Jai doesn't open till 9 o'clock, but they talked to somebody over there that said the geyser is supposed to go off at 8:38, which means we've got about 10 minutes to wait. And they also said it's never on time. So we'll find out. It keeps burping up little teasers. I think we're about 5 minutes away for it really to go off. It's blowing a little bit more stuff now. Maybe it's getting ready to go. Oh, there we go. Old Faithful going off. It's roughly every 30 minutes. Well, the steam is really active as cold as it is today. I can even hear it. It's the first time I've heard it. It's usually so many people around here. Not as big a crowd here right now. There are tour buses all around, so they will be coming here. They're probably hitting the warmer areas first, if there is one here in Yellowstone. Jai. This is her second or third experience seeing Old Faithful go off, but this is definitely the coldest experience. finishing off. It goes for quite a while. It's been a minute and 48 seconds, still a little bit going. Now this is the best view we've caught with it actually going off. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. This is the Biscuit Basin. Also, the walkway is a thermal area. Or did I misunderstand what that said? I want to clarify something I said over at Old Faithful. I said I think it goes off every 30 minutes. They do an estimate based on how long it went off and how high it went to determine when it's going to go off next. So when we were there, it was, I think it was 8:38. It went off very tall and lasted for over 3 minutes. So I believe what they said there at the visitor center was the next time it'll go off is 10:15 or 10:18. So that's 90 minutes roughly. This walking trail goes on forever, and we have a lot of things we want to get to today. And it's actually kind of far to drive to everything, so it's pretty much all the same thing. So we're going to go on to our next stop. Jai is still coming this way, but slowly, freezing. We're entering Midway Geyser Basin in Grand Prismatic Spring. A lot of the hot water comes down into this river. This is the largest hot spring. We've walked in here and it is so cold. It's warmed up to 29 degrees Fahrenheit. But as you can see, the main thing we wanted to see, it's so cold that with the hot water it's just steam. You can't see anything. We have a traffic jam here. Got bison, buffalo, both sides of the road. They were delaying our progress. Now they closed in behind us, taking the whole road. We're at Mammoth Hot Springs on the opening end of it now. I see they go way up there on the hill even. We're not going to walk up that far, but we're going to walk up some of it. The wind's really bad and it's still exceptionally cold. This here says expect steep grades and stairs. And this is the direction to go right here. Okay, as with most things here at Yellowstone, just keep walking. There'll be a sign somewhere. This is Liberty Cap. We have different color changes as we walk along this. That's like incredibly awesome up there. But look at the difference in colors here. Isn't that amazing? Just read for yourself. Living color. It doesn't look it from right here, but as we get over the hill again, it looks like it's snowing. We've got to go back over the top towards the west entrance coming from Montana. So they said if we really want to see it, go this way, take these trails all the way, and there's going to be a lot of stairs. So we may not do the stairs, but we'll see. We'll keep on. Okay, this is the first little set of stairs. And then from this one, it's like a ramp that continues on. And we've been going up a ramp right now from this other parking lot, going back that way. It looks to me like that's the easier route to go, but longer. And this is the other route that we're going to take up multiple different levels of stairs. Jai said this high elevation, she can't get up the hill. So I gotta try to go a little farther. We'll see. Look at the different colors. I don't know how much farther I've got to go. But it's been quite the hike coming up here. And I see little bits of snow flurries kind of drifting around. And before I got behind this mountain, I could see there's snow coming over the direction we got to go out. As you can see, as I keep going up, you can see the clouds coming over the mountains now. I'm not sure how much farther I would still have to go, but the wind's getting very cold. And I'm going to abort. We'll see if we can drive up to the top and see what we can see from there. As you can see, even though these are ramped, they're still climbing. So what I'm going to do, I won't include the ramps because you'll be able to see them. I'm going to count the steps that I've taken coming up this far. You can see the snow is coming. I'm still working my way down. The snow is blowing across. Very windy. I couldn't tell when I was hiking up there how far I was up, but now that I'm looking at it, I went up this here into this, and I passed that. I was right here in the Cleopatra Terrace. So I was almost there. Bummer. But we got to go over the hills over there, and the snow's coming. We're in the snow, and there's a bear up on the hill here, and I don't know if I can get him to focus. It's a black bear. It's snowing. You can see him going across the road, across the hill. You see him up there above the tree?
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, I zoomed so you could see him. It's kind of hard to see without zooming. Okay, everybody, we hope you enjoyed our trip today at Yellowstone National Park. We took you on a pretty good tour of it. There's so much more to see. We're literally just here today, but we stayed the night here in the motel right on the other side of the Montana border, about 5 miles. So it made it easy for us to get here early and leave late. So hopefully you like our content. If you reach down and mash the like and subscribe, doesn't cost you anything. This is Bobby and Jai with time to get going.
Oh.
We're out.